no money to making thousands of dollars. No money, thousands of dollars. Hey, what up YouTube? It's your boy K9 Gains, all right? So I'm gonna hop right into this video, and as y'all can tell, there's not much edit, so this is gonna be a real knowledgeable, down-to-earth video, okay? So make sure you like and subscribe, stay tuned, don't click away, and make sure you absorb all this knowledge because it's gonna be very beneficial for you, all right? So if you click on this video, you're most likely somebody that wants to be their own boss, living by their own rules, making a really good amount of money, and doing really what your purpose is, and then like what you can put your mind to, right? So if that's you, then make sure you're paying attention because I'm going to be dropping gold gems throughout this whole video, okay? And I'm going to start with like a little bit of the fitness training side of things, and then I'm going to move more over to the social media side. But if you're here for the social media side, still listen to the fitness training thing, right? Because there's still certain principles that aligns in the fitness training business that you can still use in every other part of your life, including the social media stuff, okay? So with that being said, let's get right into it. If you're somebody that's wanting to start your own fitness training business, you're probably somebody that's very invested in the health and fitness. You like to work out. You're probably at the gym all day anyway, so why not do this for your own living, right? And some of you guys may not already be trainers, and some of y'all may be trainers who are already doing this for a living, but you're not your own boss, okay? So I do understand that there's going to be that vision here, but what I'm saying applies to both of you guys, okay? Because I was in both of you guys' spot before, all right? I was one CM guy that I wasn't a trainer, I wasn't doing nothing right, and I just wanted to do fitness for my lifestyle. And then I was also the guy that became a trainer for like a big box gym, and then I was like, it's time to kind of elevate from here, and I didn't want to be a corporate boss, so I said, fuck that, I'm gonna open up my own business and get my own gym, and so that's what I did, okay? So before I even go a little bit further into the tips and everything, let me just tell you guys a little bit about me, just in case you don't know who I am. I am K9 Gains. Google my name. I'm the real deal, and I've made a good amount of money doing this. I've been doing this since I was like 14, so yeah. At this current moment, I'm making a good amount of money, like a good amount. Like, I can't tell you guys the exact number because of taxes and all that kind of crazy stuff, but y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail kind of like just how much I'm making from my business alone. And I'm pretty sure that that's not nowhere close to the real number because, you know, you got to kind of push that bitch down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, and then that's crazy because that's just where I'm at now. I have so much more planned, and then I'm going to be elevating my business to like a whole nother level. Like, my dreams is on a whole nother level. So it's like, this is just where I'm at now. And then just so you guys know, like, you're trying to get here, like, you have a lot more in store, so it gets even better from here, okay? But let's talk about how to get to owning your own business and making money, okay? So first of all, of course, if you're wanting to be a fitness trainer, I definitely recommend that you actually have real fitness knowledge and then actually try and take some type of certification course to get your certification to be a trainer. So that way you can have a bit more credentials when you actually go sell something or like actually train a client, okay? So that's actually very, very big. I do recommend that you have some type of knowledge. Now, you don't have to have a certification, okay? If you don't have a certification, don't worry, don't click off. You can still be a millionaire in the fitness industry without a certification, but it's better, okay? I do have a certification. I am certified, double certified. So it's like, I did do that, but you don't need to do that. The only reason why I did that, because I plan on like, I would say making a bigger impact in the fitness industry than just taking like a little bit of money, which isn't a problem, but that's why I decided to actually get my certifications, and I actually genuinely love health. So yeah, do that because that's going to help you with your credentials. Now, if you don't have a certification, that's fine, but still get you some knowledge because you're going to be training people, all right? And people are going to be talking to you, and if you don't sound like you know what you know, who going to be buying from you, bro? Come on now, right? So make sure you get your shit right, okay? So let's say you got your foundation right. You done looked up online how to learn how to work out, all that simple shit, right? Or you can get my Body by K9 training. I will teach you how to work out, how it all works, and then you can be a trainer that way, okay? You won't have a certification through there. I haven't got that set up yet, but yeah, you can also do that too. And then actually, I have a gym now, so if you're out here in Texas, I will hire you. You don't have to have a certification. I will hire you. if you've taken my training, learned my stuff, or if you can prove to me that you know what you're talking about, I will hire you, because there's people that can be trained. They don't need the most. All right, so that probably already removed a whole bunch of programs that probably was limiting you. All right, so yeah, you don't need a certification, but it's better to have one in some cases, but don't need one. And then if you don't have one, just make sure that you get your knowledge right, because as long as you know what you're doing and can give people a good workout, awesome trainer. All right, so that's the next thing. All right, so above from having the knowledge, is you actually got to be a pretty good personality. Feel me? It's like everybody has their own unique personality. So as a trainer, your own job is to discover who you are, what your personality is, or what you want to be. So a lot of times it's not even discovering, because I don't like to use that word no more. Let's just say creating who you are. Okay, understand it. All right, I'm gonna be a funny joke around trainer that still get shit done, or I'm gonna just be a hardcore military style trainer. Like, whatever you want your vibe to be, learn that, become it, be it, make it solid, and be the best at it. Okay, because that's gonna really help drive not only sales, but the relationships between you and your clients. Okay, now how is this important for people who aren't trying to do personal training and stuff like that? Is because no matter what business or even space that you're in, your current state of who you are is going to be a major impact on the effect that you have on others, and then also the results that you get from sales, marketing, stuff like that. Because like if you're able to build a good relationship with like somebody, like let's say a client, and like they really love your personality, that's how they recommend you to somebody else. Because it's like, I love you so much, I know that my friends are gonna love you, my mom's gonna love you, and that's how your business really grows, like times 10. Because referral clients is what we call them. I have 2 amazing referral clients at this time. I have more, but I mean 2 amazing that keeps bringing me in clients. Like, and then those are also the people that you make sure that you treat very, very well. Give them discounts, free sessions, all that. I just gave y'all a lot of game right there. I don't want to give up too much sauce though for the fitness training course, because I do have an ebook out now. Okay, I didn't make a whole course. I don't want to make y'all spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars with a whole course. I got an online personal training and one-on-one trainer business ebook coming out. Well, it's already out. Okay, DM me on my Instagram, or you can text my training number and I will send it to you. Okay, this is very beneficial. If you read this book, you will know everything to do. It is a blueprint. You will literally go from making no money to making thousands of dollars. No money, thousands of dollars. And all you have to do is just get better at that and replicate it bigger and bigger, like how I'm doing now. And then you go from making a couple thousand to making $1 million, okay? All it is a numbers game at that point. My ebook, you buy it. It's very, very cheap. It's very, very cheap and affordable, especially for the amount of investment that you're going to be making. It's only $40. You buy that, DM me, buy that, use the information in the book, read the book, okay? You read the book, follow everything I say, tailor it to your own personality, make money. That simple, we're done, okay? Social media. So now when it comes to social media, there is a bit, I would say there is a bit of a like an outer step, but this is why I like it though, right? Because like when you get into the whole fitness training stuff, like that's basically like the normal, like you go to college and then the only difference is instead of you working at a corporate job, you're your own boss, right? But when it comes to the social media stuff, it's even better because like there ain't no certification, feel me? Like I really I got a lot of wiggle room and like a lot of things that I can tell y'all without haters giving out doubts, because I know that they don't know what I'm talking about at all. So you can't even speak on this, all right? So with that being said, one of the first things that you need to make sure that you have down packed when you're wanting to be a successful online influencer, and I will explain this more in my courses or if you book a one-on-one with me, because I do offer marketing sessions and everything like that. I'm going to put that here. Definitely get my online marketing stuff if you're wanting to be a social media influencer, guys. Any of these options here will help you be the best online influencer and make money starting today. Because I got methods that will make you make money today. Like I will be on the phone with you. We will go through some things and we'll get you some money, all right? But check that out and make sure that you get that. DM me. That's the best way to contact me on my IG and get that, okay? Because like how I was saying, in this, like in my, like even in my marketing costs and stuff like that, like the first thing that we have to get right is your, like how I was saying with the fitness training, is your personality and like understanding like who you are as a person, and then making you a creator, changing up your mental paradigms, because there's so many programs, right, that a influencer runs off of that a normal person doesn't, okay? Like there's a lot of things that we do that is a pretty much unorthodox for like other people. Like here's a good example, right? Just making money from your own phone, like just something as simple as that. You may have programs that say that's lazy, so all those little thoughts have an effect on the way that you perform when it comes to them things, okay? So we're gonna be knocking out all that stuff. I'm gonna go over every little thing, and before you know it, you will be a completely different person. Like I've made influencers overnight now, like, hey, team K9 guys, we're on a whole different level, all right? But I hope that you guys really liked and enjoyed that. Make sure that you subscribe. I know I didn't drop too much gems, but that's because I really want you guys to really start participating in my business too, and going and buy my packages and my ebooks that I was talking about, so I can help you guys get better, all right? Because, hey, I don't want to be at the top alone. Y'all can come with me. Come on.